Yo, what's up everybody, and in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your iPhone cellular update failed error. So if you're facing this error as well, then I'm gonna be showing you how you guys can fix this problem. But before I show you the way, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Now let's move on with the video. First step, if you're facing this problem, then make sure if your phone has like a good network and is connected to a nice data connection. If not a data, then make sure your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi and that Wi-Fi is fast enough to run your phone smoothly or to like run a YouTube video or a website smoothly. All right, and if it is done, then basically it should work. And even after connecting to a smoother data connection and a smoother internet, it didn't work, then make sure to switch off your phone and turn it on. After doing that, it should fix it. Now this is what Apple recommends. If you're facing this problem, just switch off your phone and switch it on. And even after doing that, it didn't work, then what you can do is go and resist settings. And under settings, you want to go on general over here at the bottom. Once you're over here, you can go and resist software update over here, which is going to be the second option. And if there's any update over here, make sure to update your phone. This problem also occurs if your iPhone is like, not up to date. But my iPhone is up to date since I do not have any updates available over here. But if you guys have some software updates available over here, then make sure to update your iPhone to the latest version, because sometimes not updating your iPhone is gonna cause this problem. So make sure to update your iPhone if there's any update available, and the problem should be fixed. And even after updating your iPhone and trying all the things which I just said until now didn't work, what you can do is factory reset your iPhone. By that I mean deleting everything on your iPhone and making it brand new again. Now this is kind of the extreme, and like I want to make sure like this is the last option you guys try. Make sure you try all the different methods which you guys know, because once you do this, all of your content and all of your important file on your iPhone is going to be deleted. So make sure this is your last option, factory resetting. But if none of that work, then you have to factory reset your iPhone and it should work. All right, so hope you guys understand on how you guys can fix your iPhone cellular update failed error. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.